My name is John Yama.
My name is Mrs. Enoyama.
I started feeling minor pains about 2012. I had 2 minor accidents about that time. The pains were not severe. I didn't have any physical injuries, so I didn't do any necessary checks. But over time, the pains got more severe. I think around 2015, it became very severe.
If I complain about back pains, I kept massaging different ointments. And by 2015, I was like, I've been massaging for the past 3 years. What type of back pain is this?
I did acupuncture at some point, which was recommended by a doctor I consulted. But the pain still persisted. Not until about 2018, it became more severe. And I visited a hospital in Abuja. I was advised to do an MRI, which I did. And it did reveal I had lumbar spondylosis. Some of the symptoms I had at the time were severe lower back pains. The pains are more severe when I sit for long hours or when I stand for long hours, and the nature of my job requires me to sit for very long hours. So the pains were very terrible. There were good days, there were bad days. There were days I could not take my bath. I'll have to squat or have to kneel down to take a bath. So it was really that bad.
I noticed there's so many things he couldn't do. Bending. Even to have his bath, I'll have to actually help him put the bucket at a level where he doesn't need to bend.
I'm a sports person. I play a lot of soccer. I could not do that anymore. Generally, my life changed. It affected my job. I was not as productive as I used to be. Being unable to do the things you used to do before could be quite difficult for anyone. So it made my life somewhat miserable. First contact I had with Brain and Spine was via Facebook. I saw the video of an actress, a popular Nigerian actress that had a surgery here. But at that point, I thought it was a video prop for publicity and all. I actually feel very great just now. My surgery was done on the 5th of December, which was the day before my birthday.
By the 6th of December, a day after the surgery, I was shocked. He was able to walk with a walker. I felt okay, good. When we have CS, we always get up the next day. But by the 3rd day, which was the 7th, he started walking alone. There was no help. He came down the stairs and up.
And by the 7th, I started walking on my own. And at that point, the pain that actually brought me to bars had faded away.
I was like, this is just a surgery that was done on Thursday. And by Thursday, 1 week later, he could do what he couldn't do in years.
I feel very good. I'm thankful to bars for a successful surgery. Medical tourism is overrated. So from the experience I've had at BARS, prior to my coming here, I didn't know we had professionals that could do successful surgeries with such success rate as high as 95%. I had actually consulted doctors outside Nigeria. I know I consulted a doctor in Egypt, and the cost was quite high. From how fast I'm cooperating, I must say it's very good. It's a very good thing to have such professionals here in Nigeria. I also thank BARS for their hospitality. I actually didn't feel like I was in a hospital. And to put the icing on the cake, on my birthday, which was on the 6th, I was actually given a birthday cake. The staff are quite hospitable. They are very professional at what they do.
About the theatre experience, I had the opportunity to be scrubbed in. I think that's the word they use, scrubbed in, because I actually told Dr. Abiodun that I wanted to be there. First of all, in the theater, it's like you're actually abroad. All what I watch in movies, I was shocked. Wow, like equipment on point, everything. And I was like, wow, this is a job. Because I was there for 4 hours. While I was there, I was seeing things happening and they were going according to what he said. So I was like, okay, good. It's moving on well. No problem. And I just kept praying. I would like to possibly encourage patient relative, if you know you can't wait outside for your family member, if you're actually strong, you could go in. If you know you can just stay maybe 30 minutes just to feel that assurance that things are going on well, you can go in